Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So guys, today I will be sharing how to make blueberry muffins. Yes, so if you are interested, please keep watching. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please remember to like this video and also subscribe, okay? Thank you. So guys, let's begin. First, get a clean bowl, your mixing bowl. Now go in with your melted butter. We are making use of half cup of butter. Next, introduce half cup of sugar. Yes. So once you've added it, go on and whisk until it is creamy and fluffy, okay? So guys, I had to cut out some parts where I did the whisking. Yes, for this video not to get too lengthy. So just know that you need to whisk it thoroughly. Yes, very well until it looks this creamy and fluffy, just like you're watching. All right, guys, moving on to the next step. So guys, this recipe requires eggs. So we're going to be making use of 2 large eggs, okay? Now go on and crack in your eggs. Let me use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Honestly, I am very, very grateful for all your support so far. Please keep it up, okay? For them motivates me to do more. I love you all. Thank you. Once you're done, go on and continue whisking, okay? Until you get a yellow, creamy mixture just like this. Alright guys, now introduce your baking powder. We're making use of 2 teaspoons of it. Next is a teaspoon of salt. Now give it a nice mix. It is time to introduce our flour. We're making use of 2 cups of flour. Yes. Now go on and continue mixing. This recipe is all about mixing, okay? Now it is time to introduce our liquid milk. We are making use of half a cup of milk. So you go on and pour that in bit by bit, okay? In that way, you'll be able to control it. Please, if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome to my spot. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible basically. So please do well to be part of this amazing family. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. Just go ahead and hit that subscription button for me. Also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much. Alright guys, now introduce your vanilla extract. We are making use of a teaspoon of it. You can as well increase it to 1 tablespoon. It's still fine. Once you've added it, go on and mix it in, okay? Alright guys, at this point, we're done mixing. It is time to introduce the star ingredient to this recipe, the blueberries. Yes. So guys, we are making use of 2 cups of blueberries. Feel free to increase or decrease to your preference, okay? Alright guys, once you've added it, go on and mix it in. Like I told you earlier, this recipe is all about mixing, mixing, mixing. At this point, guys, everything is well mixed. Now, get your spatula just to give it a final touch, okay? Use it to bring everything together. So guys, I want to really let you all know that I am open for suggestion. Yes, We all are learners, especially when it comes to this YouTube. Guys, I am still learning. So feel free to, tell me in whichever area I need to improve, okay? All I want is to serve you guys better, okay? All right, guys, here we have our muffin tin. Go on and grease it with some oil, just like you're watching me do. Use your brush and spread it all out. We don't want our muffin to stick to the pan, yes. Done, guys. Moving on to the next step. Get your pepper cups and line them up on your bun tin or your muffin tin. All right, guys, moving on to the next step. Get a spoon and scoop the batter into the pepper cups, okay? Just like this, guys. And if you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, hey, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please hit that like button for me, for others to see this video, okay? And do not worry, we are almost through, so keep watching to see the final result. Thank you. Alright guys, once done, transfer into your oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, okay? Or you pierce it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, know that it is ready, okay? And there you have it, guys. A delightful batch of muffins made with just simple few ingredients, guys. Please enjoy your freshly baked treat and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes, okay? Oh my, they are looking so beautiful, guys. Guys, can you see that? So yummy. Please give it a go and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section, okay? Now, let's have a taste of it. Oh my, can you see the blueberries? Super good. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to leave me a valuable feedback as well. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling. Bye.